Hi friends, so today we are going to make fire extinguisher. Let's start. So let me tell you the materials. We need a bottle, we need to put a hole in the cap, then we need to attach the straw. And when you had done this, so we need baking soda, vinegar. If you don't have vinegar, you can use lemon, then water and a candle and a tissue paper. So let's start. First, take out the cap and the straw. Then put water. I'm not going to put with this, but I'm going to put all. When you have done, so take then vinegar. As much you want. I have put it all. Now we are going to take baking soda and a tissue paper. Take a piece of tissue paper, then put baking soda in it. So I have baking soda and I have put it inside. Then just cover it. Don't cover from the another side. Then put it there. Then just do like this. Fire! See it? It's a fire extinguisher. So look at the soapy water. Bye bye.